everyone, today I'll be introducing you to the Scandalli mic piano accordion. I have a young student who uses this exact model at the moment, and it works very well for him, and it worked well for the previous owner as well, who's an older woman, because despite its size, it packs a punch. So, on the treble side we have 41 keys and 5 registers. It has 3 sets of reeds, 1 low, 1 middle, and 1 high. On the left or bass side, we have 120 buttons, 2 registers, and 4 sets of reeds.